Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming gesture mode is active and that search permissions are granted. Place your finger near the screen edge, not in the center, so the system detects a gesture instead of a touch. Then perform a single, smooth circular motion, clockwise for one action, counterclockwise for another, keeping your wrist steady. Once done, wait for the visual cue or vibration that confirms recognition. This reduces accidental triggers and prepares the app to accept the next input. You now refine execution so the system reliably maps the circle to search. Make your circle at consistent speed, neither rushed nor crawling, because recognition models expect steady motion. Next, test different circle diameters. A half-screen circle may work better on compact displays, while a larger sweep suits tablets. Also, if the app supports modifiers, add a quick long press or a trailing double tap to disambiguate similar gestures. This helps the software decide intent. You finish by verifying the search interface appears, and that results match your intent. If voice feedback is enabled, listen for confirmation. If the circle doesn't trigger search, recalibrate gesture sensitivity in settings and repeat the motion slowly to retrain detection. Make sure no screen protector or case impedes touch. If problems persist, toggle gesture mode off and on, restart the app, or clear its gesture cache. These steps reset recognition models and usually resolve lingering misclassification.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.